And this is my itty bitty painting kit that I put together from a Cotman watercolor kit from I think the 70s. I've had it since forever. Got all my little paints in here, and I got a little sponge. Got my water. And we've got our scene.
And so I'd rather have a. Would you rather have a tick or a leech?
All right.
Just go.
I'm just gonna cross right now.
Just go. You're gonna have.
I got to step aside just a little bit further from me.
Okay, so I got my sky down here. Now we're gonna hurriedly do the rest because that system is moving in. And this is a teeny tiny painting, and I'm doing it on my lap here. Lots of fun distractions. Oops.
Are you liking that? Are you liking that, Mia? I'm gonna hit this stick hard. Ready?
Okay, so I'm still going as fast as I can, so got the mountain going on, we got the reflections going on. We're gonna let that dry for a minute and then go back in. So far so good. We're not getting rained on yet. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the darkest darks to get in that line right here. Okay, it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna put the chunk in here and call this good, I think. All right, we're done because my hat is the only thing keeping this from getting wet.